In this video, I will show you step by step how to log in Koho online accounts. Go to Google, search for Koho. This is the keyword as you can see here. Click the first website here. You will see this page. In this page, go to login option. As you can see here, you will be redirected to login page. So I am on login page here. All you have to do in this case, just write your email address and then click continue. So if you want to continue, if you have a forget password, click forget your password and then write your email here, and then you will log in successfully with your own information here. If you want to log in with your app, download Koho app on App Store. If you have a iOS system, just download this on App Store. And then when you download this app, make sure this is official apps. After that, complete login process with your email and password. Basically, this is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.